Today, we're pulling back the curtain on some of the best-kept secrets in the world of health and wellness. Secrets that can transform your health, boost your energy, and help you live not only longer, but better. You might think you've heard it all before. Eat well, exercise, get enough sleep. But there's so much more to it. Things that only some doctors know, and fewer are willing to share. Today, you'll find out why. See, the truth is, there's a difference between staying alive and truly living. And today, we're diving into those lesser-known practices, those little health hacks, and insights that can elevate your life. Are you ready to discover them? Secret number 1, the invisible stress secret. Let's start with one of the biggest hidden saboteurs of our health, stress. Now, we all know stress isn't good for us, but there's a reason why simply knowing that doesn't seem to help. It's because stress isn't always what we think it is. Some stress is obvious, big life events, job pressures, but it's the invisible stress, the one hiding in our daily habits, that really wreaks havoc on our bodies. Invisible stress? Yes, it's there in the glow of our screens, in the constant stream of information from our phones, in the rush we feel even on a calm day. And guess what? This low-level, constant stress often doesn't feel like stress at all. Doctors might tell you to lower your stress, but what they often leave out is how to catch and combat these hidden sources. Here's one secret that may surprise you. Turning off all screens 2 hours before bed can improve your sleep and actually lower your stress hormones by nearly 20%. Just 2 hours away from the screen, a small, hidden change with massive benefits. Try it tonight. Secret number 2, nutrient deficiencies. No one talks about. Next up is a quiet but serious issue. Nutrient deficiencies. Now, before you roll your eyes thinking this is just about popping vitamins, hear me out. We're talking about deficiencies in some of the most essential, but least checked, nutrients in your body. Magnesium, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are the foundation of how your body and brain work. And yet, most people don't even know they're deficient. Here's what makes this fascinating. Some deficiencies are passed off as just part of getting older. Feeling sluggish? It's just aging. Mood swings? Everyone has them. But these symptoms can often trace back to a single missing nutrient. For example, magnesium can affect everything from your sleep to your heart rhythm. Yet nearly 50% of people are deficient and don't even know it. That's like trying to drive a car with half a tank. Eventually, you'll sputter out. Doctors rarely check for these deficiencies unless you ask. So next time you're at a checkup, consider asking about these specific nutrients. It's a small question with potentially life-changing results. Secret number 3, the power of micro-movements. Exercise. We've all been told we need it. But here's a fact that might surprise you. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to gain the benefits. In fact, one of the best-kept secrets about physical health is the power of micro-movements. These are tiny bursts of movement that, when done throughout the day, can be just as effective as a 1-hour workout. Doctors call it NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It's a fancy way of saying that every small movement you make throughout the day burns calories, boosts circulation, and keeps your muscles and joints active. Even stretching for a few seconds, standing up every hour, or doing 5 squats in your living room makes a difference. The secret? Make it a game. Every time you stand up, take a few extra seconds to move. 10 squats here, a few lunges there. These micro movements add up to better fitness without the gym. Secret number 4, gut health, the second brain. Now, this one might sound a bit strange, but hear me out. Your gut is like a second brain. We're not just talking about digestion, we're talking about mood, immunity, even mental clarity. Studies show that a healthy gut can lead to improvements in focus, memory, and even mental health. The secret? The gut and brain are in constant communication. Ever felt butterflies when you're nervous? That's your gut reacting to your brain. And this goes both ways. An unhappy gut can actually lead to a stressed out mind. So how do you keep your gut happy? Probiotics, fiber-rich foods, and limiting processed foods are key. But here's something even most doctors rarely say. Simple things like eating slowly, chewing well, and reducing stress while eating can significantly improve gut health. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. Secret number 5, breathing techniques for instant calm. Here's a tip that might sound almost too simple to be true. Breathing. Yes, breathing. But doing it correctly can be one of the most powerful tools for your health. Breathing exercises have been shown to reduce anxiety, improve focus, and even lower blood pressure. Doctors sometimes mention deep breathing, but it goes beyond just taking a deep breath. There's a technique called box breathing that's incredibly effective. Picture this. Breathe in for a count of 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4, and hold for 4 again. Repeat this 4 times and you've got a quick, calming reset for your mind and body. Use this technique when you feel overwhelmed. Whether it's before a big meeting or just to reset in the middle of a busy day, these few seconds of intentional breathing can make a big difference. Secret number 6, the social connection health boost. Here's a fascinating health hack that isn't talked about enough: social connections. Loneliness isn't just a feeling. It can have a profound effect on physical health. Studies show that a lack of social connection can be as harmful as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Isn't that mind-blowing? Now, we're not saying you need to be the life of the party, but having a few close friends or family members who truly understand you can reduce stress, increase happiness, and even improve your immune system. Humans are social beings, and just as much as our bodies need food and sleep, they also need real connections. Take a moment to think of one person you're grateful for. Text them, call them, or even just spend some time together this week. These small, genuine interactions can boost not only your mood, but your health. Secret number 7, the life-changing habit of journaling. You may have heard people talk about the benefits of journaling, but there's a reason it's worth mentioning. Writing down your thoughts, even for just 5 minutes a day, can help manage anxiety, improve mood, and even strengthen your immune response. Sounds too good to be true? Science has shown that putting pen to paper, yes, the old-fashioned way, can help us process our emotions and clear mental clutter. Doctors rarely bring up the power of journaling, but it's a tool that even high-performing athletes and CEOs swear by. You don't need to write an essay. Just a few lines can help. It's like cleaning out the junk drawer of your mind. Try it. Before bed, jot down a few thoughts, things you're grateful for, or just whatever comes to mind. Secret number 8, the hidden power of nature exposure. Finally, here's a simple but incredibly powerful secret: nature. Studies show that just 20 minutes in nature, whether it's a park, a beach, or even your backyard, can lower stress hormones, reduce anxiety, and boost mood. It's called forest bathing, and it's popular in countries like Japan, where it's prescribed as a form of therapy. When you're outside, your body and brain undergo a gentle reset. You'll find that the sights, sounds, and smells of nature can do wonders for your mind. So give yourself a break from the screen and step outside. You might be amazed at how much better you feel. The next time you think about health, remember that it's more than just the obvious. It's more than a checklist of exercise, diet, and sleep. True wellness lies in these small, hidden practices, in these quiet moments where you tune into what your body really needs. Today, you learned a few secrets that most doctors don't talk about, secrets that could change your life. So take 1 or 2, try them, and notice how they make you feel. You deserve to live not just longer, but better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more tips on unlocking the full potential of your health. Stay curious, stay kind to yourself, and remember, wellness is within your reach.